Here we have a 2017 Audi SQ7 TDI Quattro. Now with this vehicle you do get the 23-inch Riviera Extreme alloy wheels, finished in black, all in excellent condition as you can see just there, complemented by the red brake calipers just behind. The vehicle itself is finished in a glacier white metallic exterior paintwork. We've got a Maxton design kit as well as the titanium black pack on this vehicle. We've got the SQ7 badging at the front now, and how great do these look from that front view. Coming around to this corner you'll see we've got black wing mirrors, colour coded door handles. There's a look at that second 23-inch alloy wheel. Got a Maxton design side skirt, black accents, black roof rail on the roof with the sliding glass panoramic sunroof, shark fin antenna at the rear. Coming down you've then got your third 23-inch alloy wheel, again excellent condition. And there's a look at the spoiler, which really sets the back end off nicely. Now you've also got front and rear parking sensors as well as 360-degree cameras, quad exit exhaust tips, as you can see, two on either side. Now if we open up the boot here you can have a look at what space we've got. It's also power assisted, just as easy to get it up as that. And on the left there you'll see we've got the air suspension as well as our rear seats, which we can fold up or down like so. We've got our upgraded sound system just there as well. Closing it is just as easy, simply press that button and it's back down. Now as you can see the vehicle itself is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and there's a closer look at that last alloy wheel. Going on to the interior next, we have got a full black Valcona leather interior. Both outer seats in the rear here have heated seat functions. We've got ISOFIX points within the seats, fold down armrest in the centre, temperature controls in the middle there, the heated seat controls both there and there, storage nets behind the front seats. On the doors we've got a brushed metal handle, electric window controls as well as integrated speakers. Coming into the front here we've got our same full black Valcona leather interior, S-line badging on either side. Now these seats are electrically adjustable. We've also got the memory functions here as well. Unlock and lock button, power folding electric heated wing mirrors with electric window controls and a boot release down there as well. Auto lights on your right there. Stepping inside, we'll start the vehicle up, foot on the brake, start button, and we are away. We will be getting a fresh battery in the key, so that's nothing to worry about. There we go. Now as you can see we have got the virtual cockpit on display, and if I go across here you'll see we've got the navigation there, and how fantastic does that look. Now we've also got the multifunctional flat bottomed steering wheel with different controls whilst we're on the go. We've got our paddle shifters just behind for taking manual control of your gears, auto wipers on the right there. On the left you've got your speed limiter and cruise control stalk. Coming into the middle you've got your infotainment screen, so on here you'll find features like satellite navigation. We've also got telephone connectivity. We've got our FM and DAB radio as well as different forms of media connectivity there as well. Go into the menu, you'll find we've got features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We've also got different driving modes in here. So you'll see we've got the various different modes here with the air suspension on the right there. So as we flick through the modes, the suspension will adapt accordingly. So if you go into lift/all road, you'll see that the vehicle will begin to rise, and then if you were to go into dynamic, essentially the sport setting, the vehicle will lower. Now we've also got our 360-degree cameras, so we've got a top-down view on the right just there, and we can flick between these views as well. You know, you've got the corner views, overhead view, front view, corner view again, etc. Makes it an absolute breeze to park in this vehicle. Now coming down, you've then got different shortcuts here for your drive select, start-stop technology, traction control, parking assist, button for your parking sensors, hill descent control. We can also lower the screen as well should you find it's in your way for any reason. 4-zone climate controls, heated seats for both front passengers as well, so you've got 4 heated seats throughout this vehicle in total. We've then got additional storage with 12-volt connectivity on the left, 2 good sized cup holders, touchpad and shortcuts with the control wheel for the infotainment screen. Gear stick just here, we can actually engage manual mode with this as well, like so, should you wish. Volume wheel, electronic handbrake with auto hold function. We've also got additional storage and wireless charging below here as well. Now last but not least, of course, you have got the panoramic glass sliding roof, which to close is very simple. Simply press that button, and as you can see, all working exactly as you would expect. Now we've also got the blind, which will follow, Again, all working exactly how you would expect. Now the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide contactless delivery, competitive low finance, a fresh service, fresh MOT, and it's also HPI clear. That's all from me on today's video. Thank you for watching.